Nakita! Nakita ko na si Pikachu! Ayun! Ayun si Pikachu! 1, 2, 3! Attack!
Pika, pika! Pikachu!
Hello! So, nandito kami sa SMX ngayon para manghuli ng mga Pokemon. Mga Pokemon! Manghuli ng mga Pokemon. At mga tao. Correct! Kaya naman, itatry namin ang best namin. Sana makahuli kami. Simulan na natin, Kara.
Yes, at magkakaroon din kami ng mga question and answer portion.
Ayan.
Yes, abangan yan.
Tingnan natin kung duduguin sila sa tanong natin.
Sige.
So, ako nga po pala si Misty. Misty ka.
Wow.
At ako naman si Ash.
Ashtray. O siya, tara na, Kara. Let's go!
Costume.
Kasi mula pagkabata, pag-favorite ko yung Power Rangers.
I think it's one of my favorite superheroes growing up, and of course, he's the favorite of my son also. So, ayan.
Wow.
Support lang.
Support.
Overwatch is my favorite video game, and this character is the one that I play.
Fan ako ni Vanos sa YouTube.
Fan siya ni Vanos sa YouTube.
Isa po akong Predator.
Because I have a beard.
You have a beard.
Same as him, the beard. Yeah, and the hair.
I think this costume is special and some kind of unique rather than the traditional Spider-Man.
Well, because it reflects also my attitude. Sometimes my mouth can be the death of me.
Kasi it's my favorite character sa pinaka-old na laro na nagustuhan ko nung bata pa ako, Warcraft.
Okay, ano yung pagkakapareho niyo in real life?
In real life, I think we always believe that with great power comes great responsibility.
Yay! So, diba?
Ang beauty queen na answer.
Parehas kaming pangit.
Patingin! Hindi naman.
Wow.
Yo, ang pogi
Parehas kami makulit at mahilig sa laro.
Wow.
Medyo maangas yun eh.
Maangas ka ba? So, maangas ka?
Konti lang.
I think Sombra is very kind of spunky and sarcastic and snarky, and that's kind of how I am also. Maybe not very nice, but just having fun.
Oh, next question.
Tagasan po kayo?
Secret. Earth. Earth.
Taga-Earth!
Sige lang kayo po natin. Sayo po tayo. Sige na. Thank you, Miss Denise.
Thank you so much. God bless you guys.
Taga-Pasay! Yung totote!
Tay-tay.
Taga-Taytay!
Taga Mandaluyong po.
Taga-Mandaluyong!
QC!
Taga-QC! Come on! Yes!
Taga Muntinlupa!
America.
America! You are?
Just here from Manila, Philippines.
Manila and America! You dance! Come on!
Taga Baguio.
Taga-Baguio! Choo!
Taga Quezon City.
You dance! Sana lang, nakukumpleto na ang balak ba yun?
Hindi na spider. Sige nun. Let's do this. Yan siya. Shake. Parang shake.
Last niya na yan.
So,
Flashback.
tingnan natin kung duduguin sila sa tanong natin.
20 minutes later.
okay, next question. Walang Tagalog.
Tagalog. Sige, Tagalog naman.
Okay.
Always your number one SM radio station.